Enjoy a smooth and efficient upgrade experience. Switch the wipers to service mode. Use a pry tool to remove the outer cover. Remove the original water pipe. Use thin end of the tool to push out the water pipe. Remove the original wiper blades. Here's our water spray wiper blade. The spray nozzles are on the side where hose connects, so you need to install the wipers correctly. The higher edge of the spoiler faces upward. Install water spray wipers. When the locking tab pops out, it's installed properly. After installation, check the hose routing. Take out the new hose. Connect it to the wiper's water inlet. Route the hose along the original path. Cut a bit of extra length for adjustment. Use the suitable size connector to join the hose. After the water pipe is connected, attach a suitable size clip to the wiper arm and secure the hose. Reinstall the cover. Lift the wiper arm. Remove the cover. Remove the original water pipe. Use pry tool to push out the water pipe. The original hose is long enough to connect directly to the inlet. Connect it to the water inlet. Place the hose back into the slot. All done. This multifunctional water spray wiper is easy to modify in just 10 minutes. Enjoy a smooth and efficient upgrade experience.